Hi guys, I'm back at it again with another video. Sorry, I'm eating cheezit. Cheezit! Who doesn't like cheezit? Cheezit, the best. Ah. Mm. It's really good. So, today I'm doing a toy review and part 2 emojis from McDonald's. And today I'm starting off with this one. And that's great, right, Jesse? Get it? That's great. CR8. Great. This is one of my favorite ones actually. Look, the rosy cheeks. It looks like it has a shin. It looks like that's great from that tiger guy, the flakes guy. That's what the guy. It's a tiger. He's all like that's great. He has the cereal or whatever. The like I said, you can take these things off, so it can be a keychain for your backpack or whatever you guys want to make it. Get back in there. There we go. And then it's adorable. They're round. And they can eat a cheezit. Cheezit, yummy. I love cheezit. Yummy. And I hope you guys liked it too. The next one is this one. It's a little wrinkly. And it says, no way. Really cool. The mouth's wide open. Look at his eyes. Oh my gosh, that's awesome, bro. The thing that I don't know which one I like better. Look at them. You can't say no to none of them. Which one do you guys like? Which one do you guys like more? This guy? This guy? This guy? Or this guy? Please tell me in the comments below. I think I like this one better, for me. That's my opinion. And if you guys like this one better, sorry guys, I'm back. Sorry, I got distracted from something. Like I said, what do you guys like better? Tell me in the comments below. And hashtag cheezit. Snack a little better. But and tell me which one you like better, which side. That's great or oh no, that's great. But I'm gonna make more videos today for you guys. I just came to make this. I didn't get to finish it. Where's the fire? Because I don't see any of it. Right. You know what, Lucas? These aren't the people you told me about. Yeah, except you've been here long enough to know that they are. And here's the other one that I reviewed the other time. Ah! And his is can't wait. If you guys didn't watch that video, check that out. And then this one too. And this one says, oh no. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and bye bye.